In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect a wired keyboard to iPhone and iPad. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, connecting a standard wired USB keyboard to your iPhone or iPad is the best method to get tactile desktop typing speeds without dealing with Bluetooth battery drain or pairing drops. Because iOS and iPad OS have built-in generic USB HID drivers, the keyboard will work instantly once the physical connection layout is adapted. So Apple uses two different port styles depending on your specific model, so pick the match below. So if you have like a USB-C device, you might need a USB-C to USB-A female adapter, also known as an OTG adapter. But if you're on a Lightning device, you're going to need a Apple Lightning to USB camera adapter. So what you're going to do is plug your wired keyboard's standard USB-A cable directly into the female slot of your adapter, then plug the opposite end of the adapter into the charging port of your iPod, like iPhone or iPad. Once you go ahead and do that, unlock your device screen. Then open up the Notes app or anything like that, and then start typing a document and type. The text will instantly register on screen, and that's it. Once you go ahead and do that, your default digital touch keyboard will drop away out of sight automatically, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.